Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to do a recap of my artisan journal for Patty's open collaboration. Um, it's with Patti over at Life with Patti. It's hashtag artisan journal prompt 2024, and I just want to do a flip through of my journal. I am still deciding if I'm going to do Kiki's prompts for next year for Artisan Journal Prompt 2024. I'm just trying to figure out a journal that I want to use. I think I want to use a smaller version than this big um, one that I bought from Barnes and Noble. So here is my first week, which was my introduction, and I have all the prompts here that I'll go through real quick. As you can see, there they are. Okay, so the intro was just a little bit about the collaboration and what you expect out of it. I was hoping to create more, and by this collaboration, it did. It made me create, and sometimes I struggled, which was a good thing. So this was week 1. Week 2 was photographs. Week 3 was stickers. I'm trying to get it where you guys can see the entire page. Week 4 is winter. Week 5 was quotes. Week 6 was Valentine's. Week 7 was scraps. Week 8 was what makes you happy. Week 9 is watercolor. This is like one of my favorite pages. Week 10 was buttons. Week 11 was green. Week 12 was circles. Week 13 was, what do you call it? Greeting card. And this is the card I made this year for Easter. Week 14 was spring. Week 15 was flowers. Week 16 was balloons. Week 17 was fabric. Week 18 was people or person. Week 19 was birds. Week 20 was food wrappers. Week 21 was music. And these are music keys. Can't really see them. I should have inked them up more so you could see the white keys. Black. You can see the black keys. This week 22 was moon and stars. Week 23 was red, the color red. Week 24 was picnic. Week 25 was vintage. Week 26 was red, white, and blue. Week 27 was butterflies. Week 28 was Disney, and I did a two-page spread. Week 29 was toothpick, toothbrush, and sponge, and this is what I created with those things. Week 30 was napkin. Week 31 was travel. Right? Vacation or travel. Week 32 was feathers. Week 33 was sweet treats. Week 34 was woodland animals. Week 35 was cinema or movies, and these are my top movies that I like to watch. 30 Week 36 was yarn. Week 37 was Friends. Week 38 was magazine or book pages. Week 39 was ocean animals, ocean life. Week 40 was fall. Week 41 was mail, and I kind of did a flippy flip with a pocket here and a pocket here. 42 was lace, 43 was Halloween, 44 was foliage, 45 was favorite animal, 46 was splatter, week 47 was what you're grateful or thankful. Week 48 it was glitter and bling or bling. Week 49 was crayons. Week 50 was gingerbread. And this was a card kit that I made. This is the base of the card. And then week 51 was bubbles, and week 52 was the end. And here I think I'm going to write down some things what I got out of this journal, and what would I not do and what I would continue doing. So I think that would be good to add. So when I go through this and look, I'm like, oh, did I really like that? I'll see it here. I'm going to type up something or write something down. So that is my journal for Patti's open collaboration. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week and Happy New Year if I don't make another video before then. Yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Bye now.